as the deer pants for the water, so my soul longs after you. You alone are my heart's desire, and I long to worship you. You alone. You